Welcome back to my channel. Today we are opening our 180-degree box. This is what our May box looks like in our outer envelope. I'm super excited to dive into this, so let's just jump right in. All right, so we have Miss Monkey here sitting with us today, which always brings me joy. And we have our beautiful box. I think I hear liquid in here. That makes me nervous. Oh, she's gone. She's done. Bye, baby. All right, once you open the box, you have your little papers, and first thing I'm seeing is a chocolate tahini milkshake recipe. That's really fun. I don't know if I've actually ever had tahini, so I'm excited to try it. And then we have our little pamphlet here, and this month's theme is Radiance, so that's really fun, as well as all of the information about the products and our mystery bonus gift. This is what the box is looking like this month. Color scheme is on point. I'm so excited. First thing I'm seeing in here is Botanica by Spongelle in lavender. Oh, I'm excited. Oh yeah, that smells really good. If you are unfamiliar with Spongelle, it's basically like a little sponge and you can use it over and over and over again, and it's infused with body wash, so it's very nice for travel, and honestly, just daily convenience. Also makes a really good gift, so this is super cute. Then I'm seeing the bubble tea body butter. This is definitely looking a little loose, so I'm a little nervous. Oh, okay, cool. There is a seal. I love bubble tea, not only just boba itself. I actually have some right here that I just finished, but I like this brand as well. I feel like their products work really well for me and they smell really good. I'm really struggling to open it though. There we go. Oh, it's a thick butter. It feels like frosting. Oh, that smells so good. What are the themes here? Neroli and tangerine. That is delightful. That smells so good. Let's see what it actually feels like. Wow. Oh my God, it kind of feels like frosting in a good way. Not like sticky, but I really like that. Okay, I'm very happy with that one. And this packaging is so cute too. This is what it looks like. I think this is adorable, and I love this purple color. So this is really fun. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, that is awesome. I'm seeing our free gift in here, which looks to be a 3-piece spa face wash headband and wrist set. I actually have something like this already, so I'll probably just include these in a giveaway, but they are a light blue color. My camera is showing them white, but just trust me, they're light blue, okay? Just trust me. I'm seeing some Spa Life Illuminating Diamond Dust under eye patches. You get 6 pairs in here. I really like under eye patches. I think they are super nice for when I have a headache or I'm sunburnt or my eyes are just really tired. So always happy to have these. I will say the Spa Life brand is definitely something that you can get at Marshall's, TJ Maxx, that kind of thing. So I'm not super thrilled to see it in here. So it's not anything super crazy high end, but it's certainly nice to have. Wow, okay, looks like we have a whole dry shampoo. This is from Refresh and it is Flower Power. I don't want to spray this because I actually don't use dry shampoo. It is pretty nice to get a full size bottle in here, so that's pretty cool. Oh, we have a Laguna Herbal Eye Balm to tone, soften, and moisturize. I really like balms. That's kind of what I've been loving recently, so I'm excited to have another one. This is something that can be used as a makeup remover as well. I love using balms as makeup removers. Cleansing balms are so much better than micellar water, makeup wipes, anything like that. This is kind of what the balm looks like. Doesn't really smell like anything. Kind of just a regular balm. Sunflower seed oil. Does look pretty natural. I'm not seeing anything in here that I don't recognize, so that's really good. And it is actually based out of Laguna Beach, which is not that far from me. So always happy to support a local business. and have another balm. So this little guy is going to be put to good use. Seeing a kind of, I think this is our snack maybe, and this is the Dreamwell Supports Better Sleep drink, I guess, and it's in the guava flavor. I love guava, so I'm excited to try this. I'm not gonna try this right now because I don't want to go to sleep right now, but I am looking forward to doing so. And then we have a big thing in here. I remember seeing this spoiled on Instagram. So it looks to be this little bag, and it snaps open and you have some straps. There's a bunch of kind of crinkle paper to keep it all together. So this is what it looks like, and then it opens up. I appreciate how much this actually opens up, and then it's kind of like a faux suede on the inside. There is one internal zipper, and then there is, oh no, there's just one internal zipper and then the big pocket, and then you kind of snap it closed. That gave me anxiety. So this is the buckle here to keep it together. So you have the option of doing this, or it does have straps on the back and you can do kind of a crossbody. This is not really something that I feel like I will end up getting a ton of use out of, so this will probably also be a future giveaway. But it is definitely nice. When I saw it on Instagram, it didn't look to be the highest quality, but I'm actually pretty impressed by this. So I like it. I think there were 2 color options. I want to say there was like a lighter brown and then this one. And it does come with a little dust bag too. And then lastly, we have something that is greasy and spilling. So I'm gonna have to let them know about that. But this is the Soom Chocolate Tahini. I'm a little nervous to open this because I think this is leaking. Yeah, I mean, it says sealed, but it is like, I mean, I don't think you're gonna be able to tell, but it is like super greasy. So I'm guessing some of the oil just separated. Not a huge deal, but you know, if this happens to you, definitely let them know, and I will probably just let them know just in case. But it is a chocolate tahini that is silky smooth and vegan. Tahini is a seed-powered superfood, velvety smooth and dairy-free, perfect for baked goods, over pancakes, or eating straight out of the jar. And this brand is woman-owned, so that's really cool. Serving size is about 2 tablespoons, made with sesame seeds, cane sugar, and cocoa powder, and that's it. So that's pretty cool. I like getting snacks in here. I feel like that's always a fun thing to get. Don't love that it opened everywhere, and it doesn't really smell. There's definitely a little bit of a sesame seed smell, but not anything wild, but there's definitely oil all over the box. So just to recap, we had the tahini, the little handbag that will end up going to one of you, these eye pads, well, not iPads, eye patches, this body butter, which is probably my favorite thing in here. I really like this. The Dreamwell from More Labs, the full dry shampoo, our lavender sponge gel, this little eye cream, and then our free gift of the headband with the little wristbands. So I think this is a pretty good box overall. I have to say, I feel like this box is not super consistent for me. I feel like there's some ones that are really, really, really good, and I love all of the products. And then there are months like this where I'm like, you know, I really like this, but I know I can get this brand at TJ Maxx. So for $50 a month, I feel like this isn't really being exactly what I'm looking for. Overall, relatively happy with this one. I feel like there's gonna be some good products for me to give away. I'm excited to use this, and then I'm excited to try the tahini and see if I like that. I might try that chocolate milkshake recipe because that sounds pretty good. but I'm not sure about the rest of the stuff. So let me know what you think. Do you get this box? How did you feel about May's box in general? If you decide to sign up or you want to, my link will be down below. If you do, you will be getting the June box, and the theme is Solstice Serenity for that box. So that'll be really interesting. I am a big spiritual girly, so anything solstice related is super cool to me. So I'm excited to see what they come up with, but iffy about the May box. So let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. If you subscribe, I hope you have a killer day in the meantime. Bye!